In this video, I will explain how you can test your functions within your block code in SyncTree. First, in your coding workspace, find and select the log block instance. Next, simply drag and drop where you wish to anchor the log and the message you want to provide. Similarly, you can insert a debug block in virtually the same manner. Again, simply drag and drop into your block code the parameters you wish to check for, complete the parameters, and you are done. Lastly, you can also add error alerts at certain events to flag any errors that may occur, like so. When you are done, simply build the biz unit and press the test icon. Here, you can type in the test strings into respective test parameters and press run. Next, toggle to the console view and you'll be able to see all your log points and any parameter values in this view. If we were now to try and execute this biz unit, we would first publish the manual and confirm all the parameters and fields are correct, like so. Press the document icon and you'll see all the parameters appear. Next, we run the call externally, and after pushing the data, we can see that we get back the parameters and strings as we would expect. However, if we move back to the SyncTree Studio, we can track that call from our message log icon and view all our messages, debug, and error alerts accordingly. Thank you, and be sure to check us out at www.synctree101.com if you have any further questions and for our latest updates.